Everyone, so I had a chance to spend some time with this budget compact SUV from Nissan. This is the 2021 Nissan Kicks S tier. This is the lowest trim level. It has quite a few features going for it at a very appealing price. So let's go ahead and just take a look at the exterior features today. I'll be going over the interior and tech features in a later video, so definitely subscribe if you aren't already. But let's go ahead and get started by talking about the overall design. The particular color I got here is called the Boulder Gray. There's also a little two-tone look going here with a lot of black plastic molding in the pillars and also at the fender level. Most SUVs these days are manufactured like this anyways, particularly at the budget level. It helps to make the vehicle lighter, cheaper, and also prevent rust. I've been throwing around the word compact a lot, and it's compact because it's only 169.1 inches in length and 63.3 inches in height. The front has a dark chrome grille, and you can see the Nissan logo looks a little bit muted there because it is hiding some safety sensors. You do have LED headlights as standard on all trim levels, and for this one in particular, it doesn't have any fog lights. And of course, to wrap up the rest of the front is this nice clear glass windshield, which has pretty good visibility from the dash, so good for shorter drivers. On the side, we do have power heated side mirrors, even on this lowest S trim level. Windows again are very clear, just like the windshield. In fact, a little bit too clear that I can pretty easily see inside from the exterior. So would have liked a little bit more tinting on this, but it does give good blind spot visibility for the driver. Also on the driver's side is the gas filling opening, whose cover is completely plastic, so it does feel a little bit cheap when opening. But there is a little hook inside the door to hang the attachment to the gas cap. And this vehicle does take regular unleaded gas. This vehicle is running on 4 16-inch wheels with steel covers with ventilated disc brakes for the front and drum brakes for the rear, which is pretty typical at this price range. It offers pretty good turning radius of about 17 feet, and it is only offered on front wheel drive. The clearance on this SUV is 7 inches. Moving on to the rear, there's a light bar that goes all the way across, which is also a design statement for them, and the Nissan logo smack right there in the center. At the very top of the vehicle, you'll see the antenna as a shark fin. Because this is an SUV, it does have a wiper also in the rear, and that rear window does have a heating element to it to defrost. And for a post 2020 car like this, it does come with a backup camera too, which is alright, a little bit on the fuzzy side for this day and age, but it gets the job done, and it does come with some markers built in the software. And the key to unlock it all is found in this very compact key fob. You can see it just has 3 main buttons: a lock button, an unlock, which also will unlock not only all the doors, but also the lift gate if you press it twice. And the third button is, of course, the alarm if you press and hold. Now, I've heard of some people who don't even realize that Nissan do still have the physical key. So to access it, you just have to pull this latch here on the back, and the key slides right out this fob, which is really quite neat. So that's a wrap on the exterior overview of the Nissan Kicks S 2021 model. Subscribe to the channel to see the interior overview and the tech features breakdown to see if this budget vehicle is worth your hard-earned cash. Thanks for watching.